Today we will be going over how to change the main board on the SS1 dental unit. To change this part, you will need one medium Phillips head screwdriver and one small Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Turn off all power to the unit. Step 2. Remove the mounting screws connecting the main board to the SS1 dental unit using the medium head screwdriver. Step 3. Remove the wire safety device from the main board. Step 4. Unplug the 5 cables connecting to the main board. Step 5. Utilizing your small screwdriver, insert it into the top points of the blue circuit connector and apply slight pressure. This will allow the 2 connecting wires to be removed. Remove the board and place it in a safe location. Step 1. Place the new mainboard on the mainboard mounting plate of the SS1 dental unit. Install using the 2 mounting screws previously removed. Step 2. Place the wires removed from the blue wire connector by inserting the small screwdriver in the top holes of the blue circuit connector and gently apply pressure. This will allow the wires to be reinserted. Step 3. Replace the 5 cables in the appropriate slot labeled on both the cable and the mainboard. Step 4. Reinstall the wire safety device. Step 5. Power on your SS1 dental unit. Step 6. Initiate setup procedure. Be sure to visit us at www.simplesmart.it or any of our social media outlets. Thank you for choosing Simple and Smart.